welcome to this presentation on measurement and analysis in the context of ISO 15504. My name is Devarshika Nigam, and today we will explore the essential aspects of measurement and analysis as outlined in ISO 15504, also known as SPICE, Software Process Improvement and Capability Determination. ISO 15504 is an international standard for software process assessment. It provides a framework for evaluating and improving software processes, ensuring that organizations can deliver quality software on time and within budget. Importance of measurement and analysis. Measurement and analysis are crucial components of ISO 15504. They involve collecting, analyzing, and using data to make informed decisions, improve processes, and ensure that organizational goals are met. Effective measurement and analysis provide a factual basis for understanding process performance and driving improvements. Key elements of measurement and analysis in ISO 15504. The measurement and analysis process in ISO 15504 includes several key elements. Measurement planning. This involves defining what to measure, how to measure it, and why it is important. A measurement plan outlines the metrics, data collection methods, and analysis techniques to be used. Data collection. Collecting accurate and reliable data is essential for effective measurement and analysis. This step involves gathering data according to the defined plan, ensuring consistency and accuracy. Data analysis. Analyzing the collected data to derive meaningful insights is a critical step. This involves using statistical methods and tools to interpret the data and identify trends, patterns, and areas for improvement. Reporting and feedback. Communicating the results of the analysis to relevant stakeholders is crucial. This step involves preparing reports, visualizations, and presentations that convey the findings clearly and effectively. Using data for improvement. The ultimate goal of measurement and analysis is to drive improvements. This involves using the insights gained from the analysis to make informed decisions, prioritize actions, and implement changes to enhance process performance. Integrating measurement and analysis in ISO 15504. In ISO 15504, measurement and analysis are integrated into the overall software process assessment and improvement activities. Organizations need to incorporate measurement and analysis activities into their process improvement plans. Ensure that measurement and analysis are ongoing activities, not one-time events. Use measurement and analysis insights to inform decision-making and prioritize process improvements. Benefits of effective measurement and analysis. Implementing effective measurement and analysis as per ISO 15504 offers several benefits. Enhanced process understanding. Systematic measurement and analysis provide a factual basis for understanding how processes are performing and where improvements are needed. Informed decision-making. Data-driven insights support better decision-making, helping organizations focus on areas that will have the greatest impact. Continuous improvement. Regular measurement and analysis drive continuous improvement in processes, leading to better outcomes over time. Increased accountability. Measurement and analysis help ensure that processes are being followed and objectives are being met, prompting accountability within the organization. In conclusion, measurement and analysis are vital aspects of ISO 15504. By implementing systematic measurement and analysis processes, organizations can enhance their software process capabilities and achieve better outcomes. Remember, effective measurement and analysis are about collecting the right data, analyzing it accurately, and using the insights to drive improvements. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions or would like to discuss this topic further, please feel free to reach out. And if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.